Tingin. Wow, may uniform na siya.
Ata.
Oh, Prudence. Sino gumawa nito? Prudence?
Yes, sir.
Oh, my name is Prudence.
It's reading gun.
Oh,
it's on a
it's
picture.
your uniform.
Please. Please.
Oh, let's go na.
Go na.
Remove your shoes na. Remove your shoes.
Where's the person?
Slippers ka na dun ha. Slippers na. Remove. Go.
Gus.
Tigas. Daddy will help you. Yung isa. Go. Sige. Wow, galing. Yung isa. Okay. Your socks. You want to remove your socks? Okay. Sige. Remove your socks.
Stop.
Hindi yan stuck. Oh, like that. Daddy will help you. Okay. Ayun isa.
Daddy.